The question is, where am I? Well, to look at the car park behind me, it looks like I'm in a large suburban shopping mall, but no, I'm actually a short walk to downtown. This is what's called the suburbanization of downtown, and that's a whole other problem. For the crisis manager, we look at this and say, is this a gathering place? If the buildings around here have to be evacuated, families need a spot to gather. By the old oak tree, the swing set in the park, the piece of urban art, or someplace. Then they'll know they're all safe and all accounted for. But then the crisis manager thinks more deeply about it. A terrorist usually has a methodology of setting off a small device or event and panicking people or stampeding people or calling out emergency responders and then triggering a larger event. So, horrible to think about, but stampeding thousands of people into this parking lot as an obvious refuge and gathering spot when buildings are unusable makes that whole parking lot a tremendous target for a terrorist sniper or for setting off a secondary device. Emergency planners have to think like the perpetrator, not just about the first event, but what is the knock-on event or the secondary event that may be a lot worse. And while we're thinking about that, guess what is a weapon of mass destruction? Food. It would be the easiest thing in the world for a terrorist to set off a particular event, have all the emergency responders come out, well-meaning people donate food through food banks that have no particular method of checking that food for safety. And that's a real problem. In Oklahoma City, they did. They had a great big warehouse. They checked all the food. They checked all the services that they were providing to the emergency responders. So we've got to be really careful about what appear to be well-meaning people donating stuff, including old couches and so on, during emergencies. Food for thought.